Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me. This is where I'm running into questions about what was painted what color in service. So if I pan over, you can see there's a lot of the black paint was on things like the doors, stuff like this. When I come over to the tool cabinet, underneath all the layers of black paint, black house paint, there was green. If I get a little closer here, I don't know if that'll turn out. There's like that apple green CN interior, but I don't have any information on what was painted what color. So am I right in thinking that this entire back wall, everything you see up here, all this back area where the seat would be, down here with the tool cabinet, down here with the, I presume the water, drinking water would be held, all that, including the doors, was painted green? I really need to know. So if anybody, any of my buddies that are restoring locomotives over there in Michigan that are watching this, please give me a shout out in the comments. Let me know, because we want to get this done before I get the floor put in. I've got the steel floor in. I'm getting wood floor put in before the winter sets in. So I want this all to be done, stripped, primed, painted, floor in, and then seats installed. Thanks for watching. And like I say, if anybody can help with color info as to what was painted green, what was painted black, I'd really appreciate hearing from you. Just as a little side note, why do I do this? Why do we restore engines? Because you find stuff like this, if it focuses in. See those marks on the back wall of the tool cupboard? You can't replicate that when you build a locomotive from scratch. That's years of the firemen and engineers shoving tools in and knocking stuff off. So I like seeing stuff like that. Anyways, back at it guys. Appreciate the views. Like I say, once again, if anybody knows the color that was on the back wall of the cabs of the CNR locomotives, please give me a shout out. Thanks very much for watching.